discount code JACOBVILE when you shop.
Out of that thing.
Lowrider. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Vinni and 3 Platinum 18s on a Smart Base 5K 45 amp lithium.
Okay. Did you build this?
I did.
Nice.
Yes, it was 5 days before Ruckus a couple years ago, actually.
Okay.
Crammed it on in here, so
Nice.
it was definitely fun.
Where is your battery bank and all in the back, or?
Right back here.
Okay.
Underneath my
So what all is your electrical?
I have 370 amp alt and then dual runs everything 1.0.
Okay. And this is 4th order?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Wow, I can't believe you fit 3 in this. You had to build it.
I had 4, but
Okay.
it wasn't gonna happen.
You fit 4 in the same. Wow.
Well, we were gonna try to do a 4 flat wall 18s, but it just wasn't there yet. Not without sacrificing for tuning, you know what I'm saying?
What's your tuning in this?
This was originally made for 3 FU18s, so those are quite a bit bigger.
Okay.
So it was tuned at like 28. It did 33.
Got it.
Definitely not bad for just being on 5K too.
Yeah.
So
How do you have this wired on your amplifier, impedance-wise?
it's at 0.33.
0.3. Oh,
Yeah.
0.33. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to learn to roll into it in certain songs.
Yeah. Well, for the most part, it's done good. I had a base 8K, and it was definitely sending it into protect. But as soon as I got the smart, it did a lot better.
I think smarts are down to half full and are like for safe. So
Yeah. It's definitely.
Oh,
Oh,
oops.
you're good, man.
Can I pull this real quick?
Yeah. Go ahead, man.
Nice. Looks really good. Do you know your? This is really specific. Do you know your port area roughly?
I do not, because Anthony is the one who did the port.
Okay.
On
Okay.
My, build here. So.
Did you kind of fine tune it, shrink it at all, open it
No,
up,
not
or?
yet. We're waiting until I get all the power I'm going to run in here.
Okay.
Because I was planning on going to 2 smart 5Ks.
Got it.
Then I broke the windshield. So,
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that too. What happened to the windshield? The base broke that, or?
Yeah. So all of my firewall clips are now broken. So
Okay.
We have to pull the windshield and then re-weld everything back together.
Yep.
But that's,
Solid roof though.
yeah, it's pretty good. I actually managed to zip it to the actual frame of the car, so I didn't have to kerf it. And
Okay.
all of it right to the roof.
Yeah.
It was really nice.
And there's nothing in the trunk. All right here.
Yep, all right there. Yeah.
All right.
The only
Nice
thing-
work.
Yeah, the only thing I did was add an access panel because we realized how much of a pain it was after the front went in to get the subs out.
Got it. Yeah. Well, really impressive to see you fit 3 18-inch subs inside of this
Yeah,
thing.
appreciate it, man.
Yeah, nice work. Good fab work. I was looking at your shirt. I can see you have like a special shirt.
Oh yeah,
All right.
I'll get out and show it to you real quick.
All right.
It's our team.
Anytime you all do team stuff, I like to see it. Team Forbidden. All right. Sweet.
Yeah, and we got these from Spitfire Decals.
All right. All right.
Should be
Nice.
DJ Hurts Music.
Yeah. If I could go back to the day we met, I probably would just stay in bed. You to the sound of fuck my friends behind my shoulder. It go like Fuck my friends behind my shoulder. It go like
Really good bandwidth.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
definitely not bad for just being on 5K too.
Yeah, good fat work. You have a good day, man.
Thank you. You too, man.
Yeah, your name again?
Vinny.
Vinny. All right, I was looking at your shirt. I can
Oh,
see you
yeah.
have like a special shirt.
Oh yeah,
All right.
I'll get out and show it to you real quick.
All right.
It's our team.
Sweet.
Yeah, and we got these from Spitfire Decals.
All right.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, man.